Hi friends, it is always common to use the test before and after the formula. For this, in this example, see here the sum of whatever the price I have taken, I have added a test before and after. So how to do this? It's very simple. Just we need to add the ampersand sign. Okay, ampersand sign before and after wherever you want to add the test, and test should be in quotes. Okay, let us check it out here. Equal to sum, bracket open, take the summation of the prices and make a enter, take a enter. Okay, so if I want to add a test before, write the test inside the quotes and add a ampersand formula, that is and symbol. Okay, inside the quotes I am writing I have, and I am leaving one space here. Okay, so that there is a space before the formula, and again after the test, so add the ampersand side and add the test inside the quotes. So rupees, just enter. So you can see here I have 70 rupees. So I want to leave the space after the 70 rupees. So I am adding the space inside the quotes. So it looks correctly. I have 70 rupees.